Hello everyone. We discuss here beat equation or beat isotherm. BET equation or BET isotherm. That beat isotherm or equation is widely used isotherm dealing with multilayer adsorption. Remember, this one is dealing with multilayer adsorption. Then postulates of or assumptions of beat isotherm. First one is the adsorbed layer may be multilayer. Second, Langmuir assumptions apply to each layer. Third one, there is dynamic equilibrium between successive layers, that is rate of condensation on preceding layer is equal to rate of evaporation on previous layer. Then characteristic heat of adsorption is applicable to only first layer. Fifth one is after first layer heat of adsorption is equal to heat of condensation. And sixth one, the derivation is based on some kinetic picture as represented by Langmuir. Derivation is based on some kinetic picture that is as represented by Langmuir. Then condensation forces are principal forces in adsorption. Then based on above assumptions, the Beat equation is P upon phi in bracket P0 minus P is equal to 1 upon C into phi m plus C minus 1 into P upon C into phi m into P0, where phi is equilibrium volume of gas adsorbed per unit mass of adsorbent. Phi m is volume of gas required to cover unit mass of adsorbent with unimolecular layer. P0 is saturated vapor pressure and C is constant for given adsorbent. Then validity of Beat equation can be confirmed by plotting a graph of P upon phi into P0 minus P versus P upon P0. That graph obtained is straight lines for different adsorbent materials. That graphs are straight lines. First one is fused copper catalyst, silica gel, and unprotonated. Unprotonated means heated iron catalyst. Then limitations of Beat equation. This Beat equation is maybe in many cases Beat equation fails below a relative pressure. Beat equation fails below a relative pressure. Therefore, P upon P0 is equal to, this ratio is 0.05. The assumption that the adsorbate has liquid property is not strictly correct. And third limitation is the assumption that heat of adsorption is constant throughout the surface of adsorbent is experimentally not correct. That is, heat of adsorption is constant throughout the surface of adsorbent is experimentally not correct. This one is about BET equation or BET isotherm, that is BET isotherm or BET equation. Then we discuss afterward that determination of surface area of that adsorbent by using BET equation. Thank you. We stop here now.